Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again, boys and girls. In the last video, we started with comparison of numbers, right? And we had seen two methods how to compare the numbers easily. Okay, one is by using number line. The other is counting number of digits. Okay, so if you count, if it has less number of digits, then that number is small compared to the other, right? In the 65 we had 2 digits, and 123 123 we have 3 digits, so 2 digits is less than 3 digits. That's why 65 is less than 123, isn't it? Okay, so now let's move on to comparison of numbers, comparing two numbers, or comparing many numbers using your place values. Okay, so we know how you are giving place values: units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, right? Okay, now so using place values, you will first give units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs as your place values. Okay, let's take one example. Let's compare 67456 and 76547, and let's give their place values. Okay, now which is the greatest place value for these numbers? It is 10,000, isn't it? So for 10,000, just see which number is less here. 6 is lesser than 7. So we can say that 67,456 is less than 76,547. Okay, let's go to your exercise 1. Exercise 1.1. Okay, you have identified the greatest and smallest among the following. Let's place all the numbers in their place values. Okay, given numbers. After you place them, see, highest place is 10,000. So in 10,000 you have two numbers, 7, and when you go for, see, what you need to do is, after placing the numbers in your place values, just first of all see which this 10,000 is the greatest place value, isn't it? So in 10,000, check which number is greater. You have 7 as the bigger number, isn't it? Now, so since we have two numbers starting with 7, now shift on, move to the next place value, that is 1000, and check in this which number is greater. Okay, sorry, not for all. We had seen these two numbers are starting with 7. So between these two numbers, one number has 6 and the other has 5. So since 6 is greater than 5, so you can say that your second, this number 76547 is greater. This is the greatest number among all these 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is your greatest number, that is 76,547. All right, now in the question they have given, which is you need to find which is the smallest number. So this is the place, higher place. Okay, compare all this number 6717. So this 1 is the smallest number, isn't it? So this will be your smallest number compared to all the rest 3, isn't it, students? I hope it's very clear. Okay, if you have, suppose, lakhs place here some, and you have some number like this number, if I take as 1,67,456, then since this is at the higher end here, it's nothing is there. Okay, if I take 0, so this will be your greatest number, right? So it's very easy to find out by using the place values. Okay, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, place values, and find first if you place those big numbers in the place values, then you can easily find which is the greatest and which is the smallest one. Alright, now let's move on to your okay. So let's move to your next part of the exercise, in which you had they have given some numbers, okay, 7 5 6 4 7 7 8 4 5 2 4 6 2 5 8 5 6 9 0 big numbers, and they're asking you to arrange them in ascending and descending order. Okay, so let's first of all do for ascending order. What is ascending order? You are going from small to big, isn't it? Small to big. Okay, so what is the first step you need to do? You need to place all these numbers in your place values. Okay, so let's do that step first. We are placing all the numbers in their place values. Okay, and which is the biggest place here value? It is 1000. So it's comparing, less number is what in thousands place? It's 2. The next is 7, next is 7 and 8. So when 7 they both are equal, so what you are doing, these two at this point, these two numbers are same. Okay, so first lower number is 2, second is 7. So in second 7 number, again you are comparing in the next place of 1000. So we have 5 and 7. So this 7 5 7 would be the second number, because 5 is less than 7, right? So first this is the lowest number, second lowest number will be this. Okay, this would be third and this would be 4. Okay, so we are arranging numbers in ascending order. So the first lowest number is 24,625, second lower number is 75,645, then third is 77,845, and 85,690 is the biggest number among them. Okay, so in this way you are going to arrange the numbers from small to big. Alright, now next they have asked you to arrange the numbers in descending order as well. Okay, so you need to write this in this particular block, okay, of your textbook. Now let's move on for arranging the numbers in descending order. Okay, so what is descending order? Yes students, it's opposite of that your ascending, isn't it? So descending it what? From bigger to smaller. So easily you can say you can find out which is your biggest number now. Okay, so you are comparing the numbers in the highest place values. So which is the biggest number out of 7 7 2 8? 8 is the biggest number. So you'll write 85690 first. Okay, the next bigger number is 7. We have two 7s. So compare in this in thousands place. So in thousands place, which is the biggest number between 5 and 7? It is 7. So this will become your next bigger number, 77845, right? And then this would be your next bigger number. Okay, 75,645. So this is the smallest among all the numbers, 24,625. It is same, it is just opposite of your ascending order, right? Okay, now so we did one example of this, this we did, and do this one, and also try to take one more example, okay, and find the greatest and the smallest number. So same procedure what we just now I had explained you, okay, and in this we did this one and this one. Okay, try to do this second one on your own for ascending and descending order, okay, by yourselves. Okay, Now you have in page number 4 some already which you know before. Okay, so let's try to solve few from this. Okay, and if possible we can do it online as well. Okay, so in this you need to write the numbers in word form. The first is what? 73,062, right? 73 73,062, isn't it? Okay, and if I take this is how much. See, if you have number, just if you have doubt how to write that number in the word form, you just note down and give them place values: units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, okay, lakhs. So this is 1 lakh, okay, 1,80,565. all right. Oh, try to give a big number and write that in the words form. Okay, so now here in this fourth part, they had given you number in the word form, and you need to just write that in the number form. Okay, first already example they had given 66. See, 60,000 they are saying. 60 is in thousands place. Okay, units, tens, hundreds, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, 60 it is in thousands place, so I'll take 60 is in 10. It's 60 means 10,000. They start from here, so 60,000. Okay, 66. 66 is what? It's in hundreds, sorry, tens place. 66. So your number is 60066. So this is 60,066. Like this, if you have any doubt anytime, just go for your place values. Okay, give the place values for that number and just write it. Okay, now let's do one more. 78,414. Okay, I will, it is given 78,000, so I need to take place values till 10,000. So units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, so they are saying 78,000. 78 in thousands place, and then 400. Okay, 4 hundreds place, 4 and 14. So this will be your 78,414. 78,414. Okay, so try to do the rest, students. Whatever we have done here, you need to complete your whole exercise either in your whatever I say at your home, and we will discuss those things when we come online. Okay. Okay, now see the fifth one. Write 4-digit number as many as possible with 6057 digits. So they are saying how many digits you can write using these 4 digits. You need to write 4-digit number. Okay, so tell me what all you can write. I'll show you some, then you can do for more. Okay. Using 6, 0, 5 and 7 digits, okay, you need to write 4-digit number. So this becomes 6,507. It becomes a 4-digit number, isn't it? Now this will be your greatest number. Sorry, not greatest one. You can use smallest, you can say. So you can use 7, 0, 5, 6, you have this number. All our digits are 6057 only. Okay, other than this digits, they're not asking you to write. Okay, one, I'll write two more or three more. You can write 5067, or you can write 0657, and so on. You get so many combination of numbers. Okay. Okay, I think today we can do this one as well, the sixth one, and then we can stop here for today. Form the greatest and smallest numbers with given digits and find the difference without repetition. Okay, so you have given digits here in this column, and we need to find the greatest number and smallest number, and then their difference. Okay, and find the difference without repetition. They're asking us, there shouldn't be any repetition. Okay, so greatest number in this, see, 5872. Okay, so out of these digits, 8 is the greatest number, right? So if I want to take the greatest number, I will take it is a first 8, then 7, second is the 8 to the greatest, after 8 it is 7, after 7, out of these digits 5 is the greatest number, and then 2. So this will be your greatest number using these 4 digits. Okay, now smallest number, your smallest number out of 5872, it is 2, isn't it? After 2, which is the smallest number? It is 5. After 5, it is 7. After 7, it is 8. Right? So this is your smallest number. So you can write 8752 minus 2578. So difference you can write over here. Alright, students. Do you want me to do this as well? See, out of say 60894, biggest number by using these digits I can write is, okay, how can you find out of these digits? 9 is the greatest number. After 9 it is 8. After 8 it is 6. After 6 it is 4. And then 0. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits they have given you. So our number is also 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 digits. So number is also 5 digit number. Okay, now smallest number would be 04689. Right? This difference of this is 898640 minus 04689. Okay, students, it's just it's good for your brain, your it's mental maths, you can say. Okay, your brain will get very active when you solve this kind of problem. All right, students, we can discuss these in our live sessions. Until we meet, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.